Quick guide: how to check tenant status and service health in Intune. Keeping track of your tenant status and health is crucial for maintaining a secure and efficient environment. This guide will show you how to navigate the tenant administration in Intune to check key details, connector statuses, and any service health alerts. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Access tenant administration. Go to Tenant Administration in your Intune portal. Click on Tenant Status to open the overview page. 2. View tenant details. In the first tab, review your tenant details, including the tenant version and location. This information provides a snapshot of your current setup. Check connector status. Switch to the Connector Status tab. This tab shows a quick overview of the connectors that have been configured. If there are any issues with the connectors, you can diagnose them by following the appropriate troubleshooting steps from previous guides, like the one on reviewing your connectors. 4. Monitor Service Health and Message Center. Navigate to the Service Health and Message Center area. Here, you can see any central issues reported by Microsoft, any active incidents specific to your tenant, and important messages regarding new changes or functionality updates. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your tenant's version, connector status, and any service-related updates. This process ensures that you are always informed about the current state and any necessary actions to maintain your tenant's health.
How